Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a versatile AI tool, AI Chatbot, which is having all the chatbots in a single window. So it is a multi-chat AI where you can select any of the AI models starting from ChatGPT, Cloud, Googlebot, every chatbot which is very fantastic for generating content will be available in this particular multi-chat AI. So let us go on to today's video and select some of the free available chatbots and we will try to generate content, and also we will explore what are the different types of databases, chatbot databases available in this particular AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to make an online MATLAB workshop on power converters, modeling, design and applications. So the main objective of this workshop is to design LNC parameters of different types of converters. In this workshop, we are going to discuss about buck and boost converter design with open loop and closed loop simulation with proper PID controller tuning, and then we are going to feed that converters with PV and wind as its input sources, that is renewable energy as its input sources, and then we are going to incorporate it with that is EV charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So the main aim of the workshop is to how converter stabilizes power between source and application, especially with renewable energy sources and EV charging stations. So if you are interested in, don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to get better content out of ChatGPT. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that multi-chat AI. So this is the dashboard of this multi-chat AI. So here you can have this dashboard. So here you can see that, so these are the assistants, different chatbots are available, so you can select any one of them. So here you can see brand builder, career coach, code clarifier. So if you have any doubts related with your code, so you can use this code clarifier. Dream interpreter, Excel formula expert, you can ask any Excel formula to this chatbot. So next one is fashion advisor, mental health advisor, motivational guru, my girlfriend, soulmate, personal trainer, Python bug buster, stock price analyst, story writer. So these are the different assistants provided in this chatbot. Apart from this, here you can see these are the different chat models. So here you can see starting from GPT-4 Turbo, GPT-4 Vision, these are all about related with the GPT. So next one, here you can see this is about cloud, that is Cloud 3 Opus, Cloud 3 Sonnet. So cloud, all chatbots databases related with cloud. So next you can see that Gemini Pro, so that is related with Googlebot. So next you can see Llama, so this is new one, so this is having different databases Llama, so you can use this Llama. So next you can see 𝐭_HERE, so this is the database, this is from Meta, and this is from Anthropic, and this is from Google, so and this is from 𝐭_HERE, and this is from Mistral. So here you can see Mistral, it is having different databases. Next you can see that stability, so stability diffusion, image upscaler, etc. Next you can see this is chat related with Alibaba chat. So here you can see these are the different chatbots in this version of this Alibaba. Next to Perplexity, so it is having different different databases. So here you can see that Perplexity Online 7B, so like the different options are available. Next one is Microsoft. So here you can see Wizard, these are the different chatbots related with Microsoft. So next News Research, so here you can see this is having different databases. So News Research Mixtral, so it is having different types of options. Next Together, you can see these are the different individual chat options having its own databases will be available. Vishuna, it is having its own databases. So like that, these are the different types of databases available in this particular multi-chat AI. So here you can select any of the chat and you can generate the content. So for example, the default will be llama 370b. So in this what I am going to do is I am going to ask a common question. So generate and thesis outline for the research paper titled Machine Learning for Machine Learning Algorithms for maximum PowerPoint tracking in solar PV system. So like that you can give any input. So here you can see our content is generated in seconds from the databases of llama. So here you can see, the symbol also here. So here you will be having the option that outline that introduction. So here you can see background on solar PV systems, problem statement, research question, objectives. Next, in literature review, overview of traditional MPPT methods, review of machine learning algorithms applied to MPPT. Next, analysis of existing research on machine learning based MPPT methods. Next, here you can see the methodology, results, discussions, conclusions, and then references, appendices, etc. So this is all about the outline generated from this chatbot. So like that you can generate outline from in any of the chatbot. So just click on new chat and you can select any of the chatbot options available here. So all having its unique databases. So everyone won't generate a same content. So everyone has its unique databases and unique trained model. So uniquely trained model, so it will generate a different content. So you can try out with the, if you are not satisfied with the content generated, most probably you use the content in order to generate content we use ChatGPT, or we can use that Googlebot or Cloud AI. So apart from this, it is having different models. So if you are not satisfied with that the models we often use, so you can use this kind of option to generate the same content from different types of model and make your research paper writing simple and unique. So make use of this option to generate a better content for your research paper. As far as plans and pricing is concerned, so here you can see this is the given free credit for us. So here you can see $0.50. If you want credits, if you are interested in this Multichat AI, so if you want to generate content from different AI models, so you can buy credits. So just to select this option starting from $10, $50 and $100. So you can select any of the option according to your need of content creation and you can generate content for you. So this is all about this Multichat AI. Hope this Multichat AI will be very useful for you. So go on and explore this Multichat AI and generate a better content for your research paper. With the different types of AI models are available, so you can make use of this Multichat AI. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.